So what have I been doing lately? Well, I've been working on the Quad Waveform VCO. It's a saw core oscillator using the CD4106 chip. I'm sure you're all very interested in that. Anyway, what this will demonstrate is the saw and the square wave. And if you notice that things are mounted onto a control panel, and what's hanging off the back of this is the square and sawtooth board that I etched. All of these boards I've etched, I was using, what is it, KitKat, that's right, KitKat. And anyway, and over the last several weeks or months, I've been putting this all together on KitKat so that I could etch the copper plates that I had purchased a year ago or two. And I figured I'd put those to use and, also develop my skill set, because I'm all about self-improvement now. I've been watching a lot of videos on self-improvement, Marcus Aurelius stuff, Ben Franklin, and Wim Hof. By all things, I've been waking up in the morning early and taking cold showers and using the 30 breaths, and this is what it's creating. It's creating a lot of this. It's this obsessive development of a beautiful electronic instrument, which once it's completed, you'll probably want one, I hope. But that's not the purpose. The purpose is that I'm driven by love, by passion, by the sheer desire to create. And, taking a simple concept as a unstable transistor to create a oscillation, and then take that and move it all the way up to something that's musical and harmonically dynamic. That's where I'm going. It's painting with sound, and hopefully this will be a palette of various options of color and depths. There is FM modulation, which I will demonstrate later on in this video. It will have a linear modulation, and next board that I'm adding will be a Triangle and Sine wave board. Now this is a dual oscillator, so it's actually an octa waveform VCO, and when there's only one CV going in, the second oscillator is slaved. It's receiving the same information. So, and what I'm going through is the range knob. There's 6 steps on the range knob, so you can go from high to low, and of course you have a coarse and a fine tune, and I go through that. And also the square wave has pulse width. Now I'm not testing the pulse width modulation on here, and you can tell that this is all it's not complete, but you will no doubt enjoy what you hear, I hope. If not, you can leave a comment saying you don't like it, and you can tell me why you don't like it, and then I could say, oh, okay, maybe I can improve on this design, maybe I can do something different to satisfy your interests. But since I don't have any friends, I might as well just satisfy my interests. Oh yes. No, of course. Of course I have friends. They're all make-believe. Anyway, so, yes, enjoy. I hope you find this as exciting and interesting as I do, but chances are you don't. And you probably have turned off by now, if that's the case. Otherwise, like, subscribe, comment, share the damn video. By the way, later on I show you the biofeedback arpeggiating sequencer. That's which is actually running this thing. So you might want to check the other videos out on this channel. And yeah, enjoy. Oh, and of course, if any of this is of any interest and you're like, oh, I really like that, you can leave a comment saying, hey, can I get the sound bite for that? And I'll work something out with you. Huh? No, hopefully I'll be able to set something up that a lot of this audio will be available to people. That's the other project I'm working on, which I've only worked on it by speaking about it. I haven't really sat down and planned it out, which, thanks to electronics, I've become much more of a planner and organizer. And of course, with all these wonderful the Art of Self-Improvement channel, I've become much more productive and much more focused. And that's what it's all about: focus, clarity, and purpose. And my purpose is to create wonderful instruments that provide people with opportunities to create sonic experiences that they wouldn't naturally be able to without my craziness. Thank you. Enjoy. And yes, if by any chance you think that I should have a different accent than the one that I'm using, please let me know. I could use a British accent, I could try German, I could do Hindi. Just let me know what accent you'd like me to, do my videos in, and I'll do that for you. But you have to comment and like and subscribe, okay? See you later.